Why is it más grande que yo, but not más grande que mí? It's an interesting question. There's actually this concept in Spanish about how this like yo, the I, works. And basically, okay, this will really help. This will really drive this point home. So if I said in English, who wants candy? And then people in the room would want to say like, oh, that they want candy. What would they say? They would say me, 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 me. But that actually makes no sense because when you say me, what are you saying? You're saying me, I want candy, right? And so in Spanish, if I said that same thing, if I said, who wants candy or who speaks Spanish or anything like that, hay alguien aquí que hable español, right? You wouldn't say me or me. That would make no sense. You would say yo, right? Even though in English, you wouldn't say, if someone said, who speaks Spanish, you wouldn't say I, you'd say me in English. But that's actually wrong. In English, we're making it confusing because when you say that pronoun, you're actually just using the first pronoun of the complete sentence, which in this case is always going to be the subject pronoun, the pronoun that does the verb, right? The person that does the verb. And so if I said, for example, who here wants candy? We should actually say I, because when we say I, we're saying I want candy, right? You don't say me want candy, right? And so it makes no sense why in English we say, when someone says who wants candy, we say me. We actually should say I. And this is actually how it is in other languages as well. And so it's the same reason why we say here, why it's más grande que yo, because we're saying más grande que yo, bigger than I am, right? Bigger than I am. And so that's why it's más grande que yo, right? Bigger than I, because when we say I, we're saying bigger than I am, right? And so in English, it's actually English that's being illogical in this case, not Spanish.